Oh shit. Y'all, this is amazing. The hot pepper challenge, half dead.
I won.
You ain't win, nigga.
I won.
You threw up. You ain't win.
I won it.
You ain't win it. I'm still the leader. All right.
No, you're not.
All right, y'all.
You didn't even get to that devil dick.
I got to the devil dick. I swallowed the devil dick, if you will. All right.
Let me officially say, first of all, I did not want to do this hot pepper challenge.
My lips.
Listen, in life,
But for the sake of the YouTube, I'm gonna do it. I got my water. I don't drink milk, so
here we go.
Let's go ahead and get this started.
Let's see.
Look, y'all can
That's
see.
the cayenne.
That's the cayenne.
A
Little
dab will do you. The dab gonna do you. That's a little cayenne. Half the love is dead, y'all. That's the little
I
cayenne.
think I got a little bit too much of the dab.
He already sweated for the cayenne. No, I can't see that jalapeno is thick,
I don't
y'all.
know how I ended up with this thick ass piece.
You said you wanted the tip. You got the tip, brother.
You cut that tip fat.
I was gonna take the fat tip. That's yours now, brother.
Y'all see this?
Just pop the pino in
Set me
there.
up, B. Look at this shit.
You said you
Look at this.
Pop the pino in there.
This shit like a cucumber.
Pop it in there.
I'm a real nigga, but I'm scared.
Don't be scary.
Fucking gums, yo.
Oh shit. You can hear the crunch. I don't know if y'all can hear that. I don't know if y'all can hear that. That's the crunch. That's the Captain Crunch right there.
I'll tell you one thing. If that jalapeno was the worst, I'm gonna win this challenge. Cause that wasn't shit.
Uh-oh, here go the Scots.
The sky.
Oh, do y'all hear the crunch though? Oh, Lordy. There you go. That's what...
Yo, fucking Toad. They cheating.
All right. Let's get to the
Have to put.
what?
Get him. Yeah, I can smell the heat. Oh, he getting the seeds.
Let's get some seeds in there.
Oh, he about to die, y'all. He about to die. Oh, the texture. Ooh, kill him. The texture. Oh, there you go.
Oh, I gotta eat the devil dick.
That he capped the devil dick, y'all. Little devil dick. He just threw the devil dick in his mouth like it's nothing.
Middle section.
The devil dick.
Yeah, shit.
The devil dick kicked back up right on you.
Whoa!
There you go. It's gonna kick back up on
Oh,
you.
shit.
Do it. There you
Oh,
go.
that
There you go. You better take a sip of water. It's right there.
I'm good.
Woo.
Oh my God.
There you go.
Oh!
There you go.
Oh shit!
Oh my God. But why I look like hell was in a 7-round fight? It looked like hell lost the 7-round fight. Oh, this is
Done,
great.
man, and I definitely won.
Toad won the hot pepper challenge.
I'm the main one that didn't want to do it.
You ain't getting no second place. You threw up. If you throw up, you automatically eliminated.
No?
Yes.
Said who?
Wait a minute. You gonna throw up?
Throw up.
I'm the winner.
No, I'm not gonna throw up.
Shit. Y'all, this concludes the WCIS
Don't ever challenge us to do this shit again.
hot pepper
My
challenge.
fucking tongue.
Check Hev out, though.
Fucking hate spicy food.
Hev lost the fight, y'all. This ain't hot peppers.
Oh my God.
Y'all, WCIS, we love y'all. We out here.